Today I'm going to be installing the viral high pressure shower head that's trending on TikTok right now. Just for a reference, this is the water pressure on my shower head before. This is it after. It's a handheld shower head that comes with a scalp massager and a water filter. It's got 3 settings: a rainfall mode, a mixed mode, and a mist mode, where if you take off the shower head, you use it to clean your shower or tend to whatever needs you. It also has a stop button, so I'm going to stop it whenever I'd like. Honestly guys, for $6 you get this high pressure versatile shower head. If you guys are interested, I'll leave the link below.